I think I've already alluded to my position on this. So again, my position is very, very clear. Very, very clear. You have got right now a unbefriggin-leavable opportunity to own real estate on Amazon that's going to be worth tens of thousands of dollars. And that's the best way for you to think about it. Think about it in terms of real estate. You've got the opportunity now to secure the top spots on Amazon for whatever your search term is. You've got the opportunity to secure the top spots on Amazon. How cute is that? Oh my goodness. That would sell bazillions. And because of that, because of this once in a lifetime opportunity that we've currently got on Amazon here in Australia, I say I'm balls in. I'm going all the way on Amazon in Australia, and I'm doing everything I can to secure those keywords, those search terms, to secure them so that I own them. And I'm just going to ride that Amazon gravy train for as long as it will let me sit on it. And there's going to be a lot of money to be made. And now is the time when you can sow the seeds of that future financial success for yourself. Now, I'm not here telling you that you're going to be a gazillionaire next week or anything freaking stupid like that. This is, without a doubt, more of a medium-term strategy. Okay, it's more of a medium-term strategy. And you should consider that in your overall cash flow for your business and what you want to achieve. But, and it's a big but, because I like big buts and I cannot lie, because I see such a crazy opportunity right now, I am hustling all of you to get it, to get into it, to secure those spots, to secure that real estate that's going to make you money for years to come. So, Nick, that's my position. Not much competition here in Australia. Over time, Amazon's just going to grow, just as it does in all marketplaces. They know how to do online retail better than anybody else, and they will dominate over time. That's what's going to happen. You can ride that wave up and position yourself now for success for years and years to come. And I just think that's a good thing to do. That's smart to do. Hey, thanks so much for watching that video, and I hope that you got some massive value from it. Before you go, do you live in Australia? If you do, this is for you. Would you like to learn how to sell things on Amazon here in Australia? Would you like to know what sells really, really well and what sells for the maximum amount of profit? Would you like to know where you can source those products from, whether that be in China or here in Australia, and how to source them so you pay bottom dollar and get maximum value for what you're doing? If you do, please subscribe to my channel and like this video, and you'll learn that and much more. It's the exact same information that people like Jeff from New South Wales I've used to make $45,000 a month on Amazon, that Sue, who's from the sunny coast, has used to purchase herself a brand spankly BMW every single year as a result of her e-commerce business, and the lovely Kate from Bowral in New South Wales has used to make $32,000 a year on, a month, not a year, a month on Amazon, and indeed Anthony, who makes $15,000 a month on Amazon, selling, as he puts it, odds and sods. If you'd like to learn the exact same information that they use to maximize their profits for their Amazon businesses, subscribe to this video, like my channel, post below if you want me to teach you something. Okay, I'm out of here. Speak to you soon. Bye. Subscribe. Do it now.